I would like to talk to y'all about getting foul party stench out of your vehicles when someone overindulges and decides to leave you a present in your car. I'm talking about the upchucking of excessive alcohol and such things that went down that pipe. It's not pretty, and the stench is enough to even make you finish the job that they started. But enough of that. How did I fix this issue? Well, number one, I never took that person out again because I learned that evening that they were the type of person that couldn't handle their liquor. So that solved part of the problem. But the aftermath of the first problem is, for myself, I had installed the carpets in my truck. So I had them tucked in real nice and stuff. And so what I did is I removed my carpets. I got dishwater soap, poured it on the soiled area, and I got the water hose out, and I just sprayed that thing until there was no more bubbles coming out of my carpet. After that was done, I had a tree in my front yard, and it wasn't the best thing to do, but I put it on the damn limb on a tree so it could air out, dry out. And it did. But then there was the issue of what had seeped through the carpet in the vehicle to the floor. That was still enough to carry a very bad odor. Well, I got a bunch of paper towels, got a bunch of disinfectant, got a bunch of water, and I wiped all that stuff up as best I could. But you know, when you leave the vehicle and you come back in the vehicle, oh, it was still there. It was bad. It was real bad. But, and I'm not promoting this product that I'm going to say, no, I'm not making millions of dollars from this particular product, but I will commend them for a product that did a job that I was truly surprised about. You know what it was? Arm & Hammer baking soda. Just a little old box just like this. Arm & Hammer baking soda. Now the damn box was already open because I had it in my damn refrigerator. And the box was full, but it was about yay big, you know. I said, well, we'll see how good this stuff is. So, hang on a second, I'll show you what I did here. Get it. A lot of you people won't think this is a knife, but this is my knife. This is my pocket knife. Very sharp. I pulled out my pocket knife. Yeah, right there, baby. Right there. Yeah. Oh, yeah, baby. I got this old knife, and I had that box, and I cut it like that, and I slid it open, and I cut more slits in it. Like that, yeah. I had that box. I turned it upside down, and I opened it up and just poured it down on the area that had been soiled. I left the box there. I rolled the windows up, but left them cracked just about a half an inch, because down here in Texas, and at the time I was down there in Gulf Coast, southeast Houston, got all kinds of big old giant bugs. I don't like bugs. Anyway, cracked the window about yay big. And then I locked my door and I went to bed. I get up in the morning, I have my coffee, and I'm just dreading going out there, going, oh my God, I hope the vehicle is okay. I hope it doesn't stink to high heaven. So I finished my coffee so I could wake up and feel a little perky. And I walked on out there and I said, oh, what the hell's my carpet doing out there? Well, I was a little inebriated myself too, and I didn't remember putting the carpet out there, but it all came back to me real fast about that. And so I go touch the carpet, and damn, it was dry. So I get the old sniffer here, and I sniff where the carpet was soiled. To my surprise, it smelled like Dawn dishwashing soap. It smelled damn good. I said, okay, well, let's see what the little vehicle smells like. I unlocked the door, and I was going to do a smell test. The way I did my smell test is I blow all my air out of my lungs like that, where I don't have no air in me. And then I open the door to my vehicle, and I'm still blowing the air out. Then I stick my head in there where the soiled floor was at, still blowing the air out. Then I breathe in through my nose. And you know what? There was no stench. I'm going to use this word if I haven't used it before. The vomit smell was gone. And so, to Arm & Hammer baking soda, kudos, give you a thumbs up. And that fixed that. See you till next time. Bye.